Hello guys, today we are going to talk about MCP servers. But before understanding MCP server, we first need to understand why MCP server was required. Every AI agent and AI platform has its own custom integrations. Developer had to separately integrate tools for every AI system. This created a gap in the ecosystem because the same tool had to be built again and again for the different AI platforms. To solve this problem, a company called Anthropic introducing the protocol named Model Context Protocol is also known as MCP. MCP is an open standard that allows large language model and AI agent to interact with the external system like file system, APIs, database query, terminals, and many other services. It's act like a communication layer between the AI models and external tools. So now you have clear picture that what is the MCP server and why we need this. So some example of MCP server are Git MCP server, Docker MCP server, file system MCP server. Now let's understand the architecture of MCP. The architecture mainly consists three things. First MCP host, second MCP client, and third MCP server. MCP host means it's your IDE or your local system that manages the client and server both. By MCP client you can understand it's a AI tool, or you can say it's your AI IDE. And third one is MCP server that's manage the system tools. That's all. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you understand all things clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment section.